things changed for me. I went from making a sale here and there to constantly making sales. And this was in the beginning of my career, okay? So I went from making basically zero a month some months, which was, literally what I made. I'm talking about working 12-hour days for a month for 30 days and I made zero. That happened. I mean, this is a big tip, a big piece of advice. It's really important to know a few things, and here is why you want to know these tips. First of all, I'm sure if you're thinking about getting into a real estate career, or if you are a new agent, especially right here in Michigan, you're going to want to make money quickly so you can take care of yourself or your family if you have a family to take care of, or even if you have like crushing student debt. Like, how do I get rid of this? How can I make this work for me? Well, these tips are actually going to help specifically with those things, getting you off quickly. However, if you listen to the end, what you're going to find out is not only are you going to get a good start, but we have another tip here that's going to help you to have a long-term career, not just a fizzle, you know, start, crash and burn type thing. The first thing that I'm going to definitely suggest, I mean, this is a big tip, a big piece of advice. First thing, buy speed. In business, the way to buy speed is by modeling. So, when I mean by speed and modeling, specifically what I mean is number one, hire a real estate or business coach. Or the next way I would suggest to buy speed so that you can earn money quickly is going to be to join a real estate team. Things changed for me. I went from making a sale here and there to constantly making sales. And this was in the beginning of my career, okay? So I went from making basically zero a month some months, which was, literally what I made. I'm talking about working 12-hour days for a month for 30 days and I made zero. That happened. When I joined the team, I went, I mean, the first month there, I actually didn't make $1, which was kind of disheartening. But the second month, I made $6,000, which was pretty good. And the next month, $10,000. And it continued from there. That was joining a team. So again, I didn't even know that I should maybe join a team, or I didn't know that I should get a coach or join a team. I didn't know. But I kind of stumbled into it and it really worked out well for me. You know, they say it's the law of attraction, but really working hard, you are going to attract good people in your life. Or even if you're just searching for knowledge, like you may be watching this or searching for this, you're going to attract people into your life like that can help you. So reach out to them. All right.